1 minute, please. 1 minute. Hello, I am.
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir. I will tell you. Namaste to all. I am Indra
Nam-
Vidya, another
Namaste.
Sanskrit teacher, taking digital class online, PTA meet. I request all the parents to introduce themselves. It is an online direct teaching class for the students of class 8th standard A and B section. Only for 5 minutes, let me discuss with the parent. Then afterwards, please hand over the mobile or laptop to your children. We'll continue the class. The session will go for 40 minutes. I request the parents some instruction I would like to give to you all. All of you, please make your mobile phone in mute mode. Otherwise,
Okay,
otherwise,
sir.
otherwise you may not able to hear what I say. It will disturb to each other. I will give time to interact with me. One by one, you can speak if you are having any clarification. This session will take PTA meet only for 5 to 10 minutes only. Afterwards, you are be free. Then you can hand over to the children. Sir, due to this, you all of you know the COVID-19 we have taken already. All the teachers are online digital classroom, and in this some of the timings we started sending through the WhatsApp and other resources. Now we like to some of the parents and students are requested us to teach online. So we find this it is for a WebEx. It is a Microsoft company which is highly useful. It is safety and secure. Please kindly take mute. Some parents are making the children are talking. Please make mute. Yes. Thank you. So that in interest of the children, we are going to take the classes. All the classes we will inform well in advance before one day or morning, whatever the session. These classes will go up to 3rd May, and daily half an hour or 40 minutes or depends upon the availability of the technical, it means net facilities, or if there is no any problem in the computer. I am having some of the problem, and I inform our respected parents. Already I started class teaching to the 10th standard past 3 4 days. The sessions were going on very smoothly. Some 20 30 students are taking part. This program is teaching face to face, and the students can interact to us one by one wherever they are having clarifications regarding with the lessons which we do teach during the month of April. And it is the method we do teach. Then afterwards we record these all the session whatever we teach, our students interact with us, that we will make a uploading in the video format to the WhatsApp, or in a YouTube channel we will publish, and we will put in the WhatsApp also. And sometimes what happens, students were not able to join due to some reason. Teacher is taking one subject, another subject may be there. And I request, it is my kind request to all the parents, kindly encourage the students for giving priority to online based teaching. Suppose one teacher is sending through some other mode, and you see that because that is recorded only, you can read after 5 or 10 minutes or after 1 hour, half an hour. But which I do teach, and your child can interact with me directly. I hope so. You are able to understand what I mean. Give equal importance for the all the subjects, and it is a matter of 30 to 40 minutes only. I humble request to all the parents, kindly encourage the children to learn at home very safer mode, and all the subject. So there is one is teaching to the children online, and they can interact it. What is the plus point of this? Your individual child can clarify any of the doubts with me. With this is the facility of learning online. Individual they can clear. Then second is we'll make a video and we will upload it. So this is one. And any of the suggestions, if you are going to give to me after 1 or 2 days classes, you can make review parents, and we will go with start teaching to the children. It is the time for the parents. Any of the parents they want to interact with me, please kindly speak. Hello. Hello.
అది
Parents.
ల్యాప్టాప్ లో చేసినారు
Parents.
రింగ్టోన్
Students don't talk.
Hello.
Any of the parents can clarify any doubts they are having.
Sir, I'm Bala Sai's mummy.
Thank
Hello.
you. Welcome.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Ram.
I am hearing.
I'm Bala Sai's mother, sir.
Thank you. बोलिए. Hello.
I want to know, have you taught the second lesson? Because I got only for first lesson only you gave YouTube recordings and
Yes,
all.
yes, madam. I am going to teach online, as I am telling, no. So that
And
also I will send. That also I will send.
okay, that is okay. Because some kids are giving the feedback that they have written the second lesson also.
No need
Because
to.
I have a doubt if
Ah.
you have,
No, I sent only lesson number 1.
if you hadn't taught it,
Yes. No.
unless you teach it, how the kids know it, no. That's what.
No. Lesson 1 is over. Lesson 2 is not over.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I am going to teach online lesson 1. That is the beauty now. Don't need not to worry about it.
Okay, sir.
That is only materials to be needed. With that material, it will
Okay.
not solve. Any other parent would like to
Okay.
say? Hello.
No, sir, we are okay, sir.
Okay. Harish Gupta,
We are okay.
sir. Harish Gupta, parent.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Anything
Yes, sir.
to say?
No, sir, we are okay.
Okay, no, comfortable. Okay.
Yes. We are totally comfortable, sir.
Akshit father, sir.
Akshay father, yes.
Low network quality.
I want to teach, sir.
Now, some others are talking. Kindly cooperate with us.
Other can mute it one by one.
Yes,
Otherwise,
then.
what I
Yes, sir.
I am telling, sir. My suggestion.
Yes, sir. Please.
Because all of the subject teachers have made the different kind of groups for all the classes.
Yes, sir.
They are giving homework and giving the instruction through WhatsApp messages.
Yes, sir.
What I suggest that each and every teacher, I think they should give the homework. It should be given before 12. Before 12, so that they after 12 they can do their work,
Work.
because there will be
Ah.
too many work for each
Okay.
the subjects.
Okay.
And this class,
Others, please mute and talk. Others, please mute. Sir is talking. Somebody is talking there.
anyway, my
और जो
suggestion is that
उधर भाषण करते हैं कृपया उसको म्यूट कर दीजिए. हाँ सर, बोलिए सर.
before 12, any work for homework purpose and reading and whatever exercise that can be given before 12, and further
You will
after
record it,
12.
sir. Okay, thank you. Anyhow, your child is permitted to write even delayed work
Yes.
also. There's no wrong in this because because of the availability of the net facilities. Teachers are facing some of the difficulties, and they are sending it.
No, understood.
So they can write.
On your side, it is my just suggestion, and
Definitely.
I think in all the
First time
Okay.
because sometime they are giving work in the afternoons also, afternoon hours also.
Okay.
So and
Okay.
late, then sometime evening class is you are organizing class. The
Okay.
class can be missed because they will not get the time to do the work as well as other works
Definitely.
also.
Definitely. Thank you, sir.
That's
We
why
will
I
note
am
down. We will note down and we will
uh,
follow the same. Yes.
suggestion. Right, sir. Right,
Yeah.
sir. Thank
Any
you.
of the parents would like to say something? The suggestions?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm Nandakumar.
Nanda Kumar. Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear, but the video is not coming.
Sir, I'm Nandakumar. 8th standard Devna.
Sir, speak.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Speak.
Yeah. The thing is, my daughter's studying 8th standard. I think she's moving from 7 to 8. So I
Okay.
just want to know, this is the first class you're scheduling
First class online. That first
online. So
class,
this is the first day class
first day class
online.
online.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah. Already I
yes,
sent.
yes. Is it a very good?
Yes, we
I
try
got it. Okay.
our level best because students can interact with
Excellent.
directly. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a very good. Yeah, it's a very good initiative. Yeah. So I
No,
just want to know whether the daily session will happen start from 4 o'clock for Sanskrit.
not likewise. It depends upon the availability of the computer and slot net cell. That is, sometimes we are having
Okay.
online, even now also it was not working. Now it is coming luckily. If suppose there is any
Okay.
problem, that is technical problem is not there, we will be in the morning
Yeah.
session we will run. That is no problem for us.
Okay. So yes, very good. So if there is anything scheduling means at least you can inform little bit earlier. Means scheduled. If you send the scheduled date or time, so
Definitely,
we'll make the people our kids will be ready for that.
definitely,
And maybe within the teachers can organize which subject and what time, so we can have an idea what time they'll be starting. Okay. So we'll be
yeah,
keep ready for them.
definitely,
That would be good.
definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, and I just want to know whether the subject what they are teaching will be uploaded anything in the portal or any portal they will be uploaded something in YouTube or something like that.
no, sir. All are having connection with what is called WhatsApp only, right? So in
WhatsApp. Okay.
WhatsApp,
Yeah, yeah.
because there is no any one system so far we are having to send to one person to upload in one particular portal because all are in
Okay,
different
got it.
places. But every individual
Mm.
teacher is linked within the respective WhatsApp group, and they are
WhatsApp
sending
group.
for each children they are children sending the details.
Okay.
Ah,
At least we can make recording the session what you're teaching instead of not doing that video. Is it at least we can do recording sessions so that the kids can maybe they can reuse or they can whenever they want they can hear, correct? Even who are missing,
sir,
it would
now,
be helpful for them.
yes, sir. Now I am teaching online. No, it is already
Mm.
recording only. Whatever you are speaking, it is already recording only. Now we
Recording. So
will,
that you can store somewhere else and you please intimate us.
yes,
So the kids wherever they have some doubt
definitely.
they can a number of them they can go and listen that one.
No, no. What we will do, sir, after the class online over, we will upload this
Yeah.
into the website or in the YouTube channel, and the students can
Mm.
join through that. There is no problem for them because sometimes they may miss the class online also because they may be busy with some other subject. We understand the difficulties of them. So,
Excellent.
they
Okay,
need
sir. Got it. Got it.
already I have taken class 10th standard for past 3 4 days, and the students and
Okay.
parents are very much interested, and it is uploaded again. So that will be all the timings. Anytime they can read till this academic year end.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So need not to worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Very
But when they come
good.
here
Mm-hmm.
online, they can clarify their own doubts,
Yeah.
individual doubts they can clarify, sir. Okay.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very good.
Thanks
Okay,
for
sir.
your
Thank you very much.
valuable suggestions. Any other parent would like to speak with me?
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Dhanyawada. These others make mute. Some parents are willing to interact with me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sir, this is Arush father here.
Kaun sir?
This is Arush father here.
Arush already. Yes, sir. Speak, sir.
Yeah, sir. Nothing, sir. Just I would like to thank you for this nice initiative, and we hope that other teachers will also continue. And
Depends upon the now the Zoom app. We should not use. They said it is unsafe.
right, sir.
So we left
Right, sir.
Zoom. Then we went for Microsoft. This one it is safe. They said. So we are in this.
Right, sir.
But they will also will come up with some new app. Anything they get in, definitely teacher will take the
Fine, sir.
sir. Thank you.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyawada,
Yeah.
sir.
Dhanyawad, sir.
Any
Dhanyawad.
other parent would like to speak with me? And also, sir, the parents, it is requested all your children. The girls need not to come on video. It is not essential. Boys can come. The boys also one or two they can open the video. Video is optional only. It is not compulsory. And they join the meeting that is enough to me. You try.
Mama, chup raho.
Some are shouting there. Please.
Sir, this is Arush father here. I think you have a control to mute everyone. I think you have a control to mute everyone.
Yeah, sir. I am also making it because I am busy with teaching some because it happened to be class 10th
Yeah,
in Dallas.
you can mute everyone. You can mute everyone.
Yeah.
Whoever wants to question, they can unmute and ask.
Yes, sir. Even otherwise, they all are talking each other, making, interacting with. So it is disturbance noise comes to me. Okay,
Correct,
thank you.
correct.
I will do it for meet for
Yes,
everyone. Thank you. Anybody else? Parents are waiting there to speak with me.
No, sir. No, sir. No question.
So far, 25 participants are joined here. I thank for the parents and they have given valuable suggestions over here. Now, some students are coming here to join with us. More than 26 students. Varaha is there? Varaha parent? Varaha? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, parents. We are going for learning, and we will start with your kind cooperation, online teaching to the students of class 8th standard. I request all the parents kindly hand over this device to your children. They go for teaching of the classes. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Students, please come online. Students, please come online.
Good evening, Sully.
Namaste, students. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Now it is
Namaste, sir.
yes.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Namaste. Now some instruction I would like to give to you all. Video is not compulsory, students. Boys can be one or two. Please be there on online face to face to see me. And girls, it is not compulsory to come on video. And one video, another can not to see. So need not to worry. All the students, I only will see. Others cannot able to view them. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to start the classes now. There are number students are 24 students are here. 23, 24 students are joined average. Please make mute. Mute please everybody. Somebody is talking there, please. Please mute. Don't talk. Yes. Okay. Okay. Please listen, the students. Are you able to hear Mogit my voice? Wala, are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to hear my voice? Students? Response to me. Are you able to hear my voice? Mohit. Mohit. Are you able to hear my voice? One minute. Please respond to me, anybody. Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, wait. The screen, what happened now? Are you able to see the screen now? Screen?
Sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Only one should give a
Yes, sir.
response. Only one should give me response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me
Yes, sir.
attendance one by one. You tell me your name, class, section. Present, sir.
So we cannot see.
Your chart is there. In the chart, you can write. Chart is there. You can write, sir, I am present, sir. Likewise, you write your name, class, section. You write here, I am present, sir. Okay? Okay?
பூஜா சாட் இருந்தா பண்ணுங்க சாட் எங்க இருக்கு
மேல இருக்கு
ஹாய்
பாருங்க.
சார் நீங்க வந்துச்சுமா
மேல இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஸ்கிரீன் பக்கத்துல.
காட்டு நான் தேட மாட்டேன் இதுதான்
Hello.
Hello? Okay, shall we start the class? Please try, make mute everybody. You can hear?
எஸ் சார்
Okay. Namaste to all. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Kendra Vidyalaya, Anna Nagar, taking classes through digital mode. This is class for 8th standard, A section and B section.
கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க
सर ने कुछ कहा नहीं
1 minute wait here. Please wait. Please wait.
सबने yes.
Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
यस सर
Okay, please wait on your online. Please wait.
இப்படி வைக்கணும்
Are you able to see the screen now? Hello. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Lesson 1. Okay, shall we start?
Okay, sir.
I told all
Yes, sir.
to give the voice, letting me, I am so and so person. Okay, from this class. I told you all to give the attendance. Nobody is given attendance so far to me. Give me attendance.
Sir, I am present.
No, you should tell the name, class, section.
Sir, I am Priyadarshini from 8th B.
Okay, good.
Sir, I'm Pooja from 8th A.
Okay,
Sir, I am Pratna from 8B.
welcome.
Sir, I am Mitran from 8A.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Balasai from 8B.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Akshit Kandwala from class 8 from 8B.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Rasana Srinivas from 8B.
Swagatam.
Sir, Monica from 8A.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Anu. Sir,
Swagatam.
I am Devnashri from 8A, sir.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Akshit Kandwala from class 8B, sir.
Swagatam.
Sir, I am Jyoti, class 8B.
Swagatam. Welcome.
வீடியோ இரு என்ன இரு பூஜா நீ
I am
லோட்
Akshit
ஆகும்
Kandwala, 8B.
Swagatam.
அவசரம் ஏன் சொன்னீங்க பூஜா ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு ஏன் இது யாரும் போல
Okay. Okay. Enough. Students, I request all of you to make keep in a mute mode. Everybody. Everybody put on mute mode. Please put on your mute mode. I will tell you the timings. That time only you should open. Otherwise, should not open. Okay, sir. All of you. I will give the time for you to interact with me. That time you can speak. Otherwise, you can just put and see the screen and listen to the class. I'm going to start the lesson. First lesson, you know the students of class 8th standard, this one I know. They are joined here for learning on digital class today. Today the class 1, online teaching. As I know already, I started teaching to you lesson number 1 regarding with that. I sent you some of the files uploaded in your through WhatsApp. Even for this lesson also I explained you through the video. Then I am sending here for a Subhashita Slokas. Already I sent even question answers also. Now you are seeing on the screen. You are able to understand directly word by word and wherever you need to. Any one of you, please tell me. Any one of you tell me, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen here? Respond to me.
No, sir.
Now?
yes sir
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enough. Only one student. That is enough to me. Now, listen. Subhashita. Subhashitani, the word. Subhashita Shabda. सुभाषिता इन दो शब्दों के मेल से संपन्न होता है. The word Subhashita is, please make mute. Please make mute. Are you able to see me? You are able
Yes, sir.
Okay, please make mute. Subhashita शब्द सु प्लस भाषिता इन दो शब्दों के मेल से संपन्न होता है. Still now some voices coming. Please don't talk there. Please don't talk in that room. Make yourself to sit. Please don't allow others to be there in your room. Okay, good. सुभाषित शब्द सुभाषित इन दो शब्दों के मेल से संपन्न होता है. The सुभाषिता word is joining of two words. One is su, another is bhashita. A joining of these two words. Su means सु का अर्थ सुंदर, मधुर तथा भाषित का अर्थ वचन होता है. सु मीन्स व्हाट यू नो, गुड इन द मीनिंग, सुंदरम, मधुरम. भाषित मीन्स नो एंड स्पोकन, टोल्ड इन द मीनिंग. इस तरह सुभाषित का अर्थ सुंदर मधुर वचन है. लाइकवाइज द सुभाषित मीनिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल, गुड इन द मीनिंग. प्रस्तुत पाठ में मंजरी, नीति शतकम, मनुस्मृति, शिशुपालवधम, पंचतंत्र से रोचक और विचार परक श्लोकों को संग्रहित किया गया है. द प्रेजेंट सुभाषित श्लोका इज टेकन फ्रॉम द वेरियस textbook of Sanskrit language, from Panchatantra stories and from the Niti Shataka stories book, then Sukti Shataka and Shishupala. These all are the famous Sanskrit books from the Sanskrit language. From that, which is very important, that they have taken and they have given here. Now we read first poem. Guna gunajneshu guna bhavanti te nirgunam prapya bhavanti dosha सुस्वादुतो या प्रभवन्ति नद्यः समुद्रमासाद्य भवन्त्यपेयाः. Second poem, I read, you can listen afterwards, you can practice with any one of the tune which you like it, or your own tune you can get practice and to recite also. साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः साक्षात् पशु पुच्छ विषाणहीनः ऋणन्न खादन्नपि जीवमानः तद्भागधेयं परमं पशूनां. point number 3, रुद्धस्य नश्यति यशः पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रवृत्त सचिवस्य नराधिपस्य. And next poem number 3. Yes. 1 minute. 3 poems are coming here. The next 4, 5, it is mixing. Yes, that. 4. Poem number 4. पीत्वा रसं तु कटुकं मधुरं समानं माधुर्यमेव जनयेन् मधुमक्षिकासौ सन्तस्तथैव समसज्जन दुर्जनानां श्रुत्वा वचा मधुरसूक्तरसं सृजन्ति विगाय पौरुषं यो हि दैवमेवावलम्बते प्रासादसिंहवत्तस्य तिष्ठन्ति वायसाः. Point number 6. पुष्पपत्र फलच्छाया वल्क पुष्पपत्र फलच्छाया मूलवल्कलदारुभिः धन्या महीरुहा येषां विमुखं यान्ति नार्थिनः चिन्तनीया हि विपदाम् आदावेव प्रतिक्रियाः न कूपखननं युक्तं प्रदीप्ते वह्निना गृहे. Any one of you please respond to me. You all are able to hear very clearly my voice?
Yes, sir.
Any one of you please respond to my question. Are you able to hear my voice very clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Continue. Now, sloka number 1. Now, the reciting of all the slokas 1 to 7 I have given you practice. Now, first sloka we go. See the board on the screen, you can see. I know that you all are having no textbook, so that I am showing you directly. And I will show you some PPTs also regarding with this after this teaching to you. And Gunajneshu, 1 minute, right? Please write. I hope so all of you completed lesson number 1 exercise which I have given sent you already, and it is an instruction to all the students. Make only one Sanskrit notebook for writing Sanskrit. As usual, you practice in class 6th standard and 7th standard. Front side of the notebook is classwork, and half of the notebook side which is there, that is for the homework side. And those who are not having the new notebook, and they can go with the old notebook itself writing, and even the old notebooks are not there, the students are requested to write in a paper, and afterwards purchasing the notebook from the market, you can paste in the notebook side, so it is not essential for you all that to go and buy the notebook now itself. As you do writing of the in the school class 6th and 7th standard, we are giving you practice the same method. You have to write in your Sanskrit classwork and homework also this year also. The same method, as you all of you know, the exercise of every lesson to be written in your classwork side. The homework which I give you additionally extra, that you have to write in your Sanskrit homework side. So this is the method. Already you all are familiar and understanding the methods of writing classwork and homework. Though it is new year for you all joining in class 8th standard, but writing system of classwork and homeworks are all are same only. So सुभाषितानि सुभाषितानि सुंदरानि मधुरानि हितकारिणि वचनानि shloka rupena. This and all I explained to you. Now the reading of these shlokas also I have given you, coaching to you all this. You can see this PPT. Guna gunajneshu guna bhavanti tenurgunam prapya bhavanti dosha suswadatoya prabhavanti nadyah samudram bhavantyapeyah. Likewise, now we go with the explanation of this sloka number 1. Students, are you able to see this PPT well, Meena?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to see now? The letters are good for you. Any one of you respond to me? Hello? Any one of you
Yes, sir.
respond? Who is talking?
Sir, Pooja from class
Pooja.
8A.
Yes, Pooja, good. Pooja, where is your Trilochana? Is your class? No.
Sir,
Yes,
no, sir, I don't know, sir.
but Trilochana is A section only, no?
Yes, sir.
Why then Rohit is joined here? You don't know.
No, sir.
You put in a WhatsApp, the classes are all already started. Those who are not joined, you all are asked to join
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
in the WhatsApp. Other students also, please kindly, everybody put in a WhatsApp group and telling to the students, please join. Classes are started. Likewise, I will also put
Okay, sir.
the message. Please join. Everybody put classes are started.
PDF form, sir.
Huh? I sent to
PDF
all
forms.
PDF. Okay. Pooja, are you able to hear me? Okay. Guna gunajneshu guna bhavanti te nirgunam prapya bhavanti doshaha. Suswadatoya prabhavanti nadyah samudram asadya bhavantyapeyah. Jalam, water. Now, please don't talk. Somebody is talking. Then, what is the method of learning Sanskrit? First, reading of this sloka. Please make unmute. Don't talk. Somebody is talking.
బాబు ఈ తరగతి కొన్నిదండి
The one,
కుమార్ డిస్టర్బ్
one of the student room, somebody is talking from the beginning of the session. हिंदी में बातें करते हैं तो कृपया नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Please kindly cooperate with me. It is disturbing me. Yes. Thank you. गुणा गुणज्ञेषु गुणा भवन्ति ते निर्गुणं प्राप्य भवन्ति दोषाः सुस्वादतोया प्रभवन्ति नद्यः समुद्रमासाद्य भवन्त्यपेयाः. This is the sloka number 1. Students, you know how to read and learning of the Sanskrit. I already told you since you are class 8th standard. Now we have to teach you the method of learning Sanskrit slokas in further another level. First, reading of the sloka, and second method is padacheda. Third method is anvaya. Padacheda means splitting of the words, word by word splitting. Then anvaya is writing in the prose order. Splitting from the sloka, here you see the difference between the splitting and sloka. Here you can see comma comma they are making here, means what the words are separated. If the words are joined together here somewhere else, that you have to split for understanding. For example, you see samudram asadya and bhavantyapyaha. Here samudram plus asadya, bhavanti plus apeyaha. Likewise, here also you can see. In other words are splitted. I read, you can see on the screen. Gunaha, gunajneshu, gunaha, bhavanti, te, nirgunam, prapya, bhavanti, doshaha, suswadatoyaha, prabhavanti, nadyaha, samudram, asadya, bhavanti, apeyaha. So this is what given padacheda. Then anvaya, gunaha, padacheda I explained you what is called. Now we go with anvaya. Gunaha, gudajyeshu gunaha bhavanti te nirgunam prapya doshaha bhavanti. What is the purpose of anvaya? Writing the sloka is in prose order. Then this is in sloka poem order. The poem, the words are jumbled here and there, but in anvaya we will write in one place. You can see on the board together sloka how it is, anvaya how it is. Guna gunajneshu guna bhavanti te nirgunam prapya doshaha bhavanti. In the sloka you see bhavanti doshaha. Anvaya you see doshaha bhavanti. So what is the difference? As I said you, it is to write in prose order. In simple method I teach you prose order means subject, object, verb. If you write in this order, this is called a writing in a prose order. Then suswadatoya nadyaha samudram asadya. Here prabhavanti samudram asadya apeyaha bhavanti. See this how the words are splitting here. Nadyaha first coming. In sloka you see prabhavanti nadyaha suswadatoyaha. Prabhavanti nadyaha is there in sloka. In anvaya you see nadyaha prabhavanti. Likewise. And you can see the and another yellow color this is given. In gunaha parantu nadyaha, it is given in bracket. You all are able to view this and see this. The reason behind this three, and that these three words are not there in the sloka. Nadya word is there, but it is used already in one time, and many times here Nadya, see this, and Nadya here, Nadya here. 3 times are written here in Anvaya, but in sloka it is given only one time, so that and whenever they repeat the words, that they will put in a bracket. Whenever the words are, it is to be understood by own, then they will put in a bracket. Here guna has given, here also guna has given. So then only the meaning will come. Now when I teach you the meaning of this sloka, you will understand of this anvaya. But this is the method of writing sloka and padacheda and anvaya. Then some difficult word meanings, word by word meaning. In some of the words are given in your textbook itself for you, difficult words, and here very detailed manners are given. See students, since I am taking online class, because of within 40 minutes of duration, I may not go in very detailed manner to teach you, and wherever it is to teach, that word I will make you to understand, and here some grammar points are given. It is not that much very much important to in detailed manner to teach to you. By own you will understand by reading. It is self-explanatory. Now one or two I will teach you, remaining and all you will understand. Take for the first word here on the board, Gunaha. Generally Guna means qualities. Everybody knows Guna Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga Pasama Bhakti, Bahuvachana Shabda. It is the table they are teaching to you in bracket. So here Shabdarthas are given. Here how the word is deriving from the main word from the Sanskrit, it is given. Here the meaning of the words in Sanskrit, it is given. This is the method of this board. You can look at here. Gunaha, Guna Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga Pasama Bhakti, Bahuvachana. Dharmaha, Swabhavaha, Vaisishtyam. Now, what is the meaning of Gunaha? No? Dharma, Swabhava, nature, Vaisishtya, speciality. And likewise, wherever the new words are there, that only I will here I teach you. Remaining you can see the board and to go. And Suswadatoyaha, Swadishta Jalayuttaha, Gunajneshu, Gunayuktan Janeshu, among the people, Bhavanti or they all qualities, Nirgunam, without quality, Prapya, Labdva, Militva, after getting, Doshaha, Durgunaha, Anitta Phalam, Durguna means bad qualities, Suswadu Toyaha, Swadikta Jalayuktaha, tasty water, Nadyaha, you know, Nadya means river, another word in Sanskrit to say, Saritaha, Taranginyaha, Prabhavanti, Vahanti, floating, Pra is Upasarga, Bhu is Dhatu here, Samudra, Jaladhim, Sagaram, ocean, Asadhya, Prapya, after attaining, means after getting, Apiyaha, Patum Yogya, Ayogyaha, not able to drink the water. Now, these some grammar points are given. Gunaha, Vishesha Pada, Te is Visheshana Pada, Vishesha and Visheshana. Visheshana means adjective word, Vishesha means noun word. Here also Nadya and Suswadatoya, likewise. And Sloke Suswadatoya ityatra Toyaha Visheshanam Strilinga Prayuktam. It is used in Strilinga Shabda. And Bhava Bodhanam, understanding of the meaning of this sloka. I will teach you the meaning here. Then we will discuss these two of the pages. This is for you homework from this class, 2 pages. That is easy for you. You will be able to understand. Now, Bhavartha you see means meaning of this sloka. Let me explain to you of this sloka. Sloka is here in the top and Bhavartha is given. It is in Sanskrit meaning. Gunaha Gunijaneshu Sadgunaha Bhavanti Parantu te Gunaha eva Nirgunam Jalam Prapya Doshaha Bhavanti. Yatha Nadinam Jalam Yavat Paryantam Nadishu Bhavati Tavat Paryantam Tat Jalam Maduram Patum so Yogyam Bhavati. परंतु तदेव जलम यदा समुद्रे पतति तर्हि तज्जलं पातुं योग्यं न भवति. Listen students, गुणाः गुणिजनेषु सद्गुणाः भवन्ति. गुणाः गुणयुक्तजनाः सर्वथा यदा गुणिजनेषु मिलन्ति तदा ते अपि सद्गुणवन्तः सन्ति. परन्तु ते एव गुणाः निर्गुणं जलं प्राप्य दोषाः भवन्ति. तदेव गुणिजनः गुणिजनः इत्यस्य क्वालिटी पर्सन. यदा सः गुणिजनः निर्गुणं जलं प्राप्य निर्गुणं जलं प्राप्य इत्यत्र दुष्टजनेन सह मिलति तदा सः अपि जनः दोषयुक्तः जनः भवति. It means yeah, person one who is joining with good person, that person will become a good person. A person, one who has a good quality, is joining with the bad person, and that person also will become bad person. And to make you to understand this concept, they are giving you one example, which by this you will understand. Yatha nadinam jalam yavat paryantam nadishu bhavati tavat paryantam jalam maduram patum cha yogyam bhavati. See, students, yatha nadinam jalam, nadishu jalam asti, river water is there, parantu यावत् पर्यन्तं नदीषु जलं भवति, जलम् अस्ति, तावत् पर्यन्तं नद्यः जलं मधुरं स्वादिष्टं योग्यं पातुं योग्यं भवति, जलपानं कर्तुं शक्यते। परन्तु तदेव जलं यदा समुद्रे मिलति, किमर्थं समुद्रजलं कथं भवति? समुद्रजलं लवणयुक्तं भवति। ओशन, no, samudra water is mixed in the water, salt is mixed. When it is यदा तदेव जलं समुद्रे पतति तदा जलं तदपि जलं लवणं भवति. I explained to you the example for you to understand the language English for you betterment. The river water is always eligible, able to drink if it is there in the river only. But the same river water, if it is mixed with a samudra ocean, that also will become full of salt, because the ocean water is a salt water. So what they want to mean by this Vashita, yeah, good person should join always with the good person only, as the river is joining, if it is joining with any of the river or any other good place, then that water is always able to drink. But yeah, person one who is very vast, means very good person, if he joins with the bad person, as the water, river water, if it is mixing with the ocean, how it is become the salty. Likewise, a good person, if he joins with a bad person, that person also will become bad. That is the concept, the essence of this sloka. So, the what they want to advise by this poem to you all, you must join always with a good person. You should not join with the bad person. नाउ हिंदी में अर्थ ऐसा होते हैं, विद्वान और गुणी व्यक्तियों के पास जाकर गुण सद्गुण के रूप में परिवर्तित हो जाता है, परंतु वे ही गुणहीन व्यक्तियों उनके संसर्ग में दोषों के रूप में परिणत हो जाते हैं। यथा नदियों में मधुर स्वाद वाला पीने योग्य जल प्रवाहित होता है, परंतु वही जल समुद्र के जल में मिल जाता है तो खारा हो जाता है तथा पीने योग्य नहीं रहता है। भावार्थ इंग्लिश में, in this I explained you, again they are given the flowing water in the river is very sweet and able to drink. Once it reaches to sea, it acquires salty nature and hence becomes not able to drink. Similarly, qualities of person remain your virtue in good company and they turn evil in bad company. This is the sloka meaning. Now we discuss with some question answers are given here. You can also see the board. Ekapadena Uttarata. This is what for you, your homework from this lesson, and I will tell you, and you can interact with me, and you see the board. I will ask you question. You can reply one by one. First, I will ask you to the puja. I will tell you puja say. Then you can say the answer. See the screen. I want interaction session. Answers are given over here. By seeing that itself, you can say. First question I will say. I will say the answer also for first question, and remaining you can practice. Gunaha keshu sadgunaha bhavanti. Answer is, you see here in bold manner it is given in different color. One word answer, gunajneshu. Gunaha gunajneshu sadgunaha bhavanti. It is very easy for you to understand. Keshu, shu is there. Gunajneshu, shu is there. By this itself you can take and to understand and to write it. Okay. Now, any first puja. Puja, please all of you make and remove from the mute mode, unmute. Now you can interact with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pooja, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Please wait. Pooja, give me
Sir.
answer for this question. I read the question. You say the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gudagneshu satgunaha ke bhavanti. You can read this line and say answer. Second question, Pooja. Yes. Pooja is there on the screen. She is there and live. She is online.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me the answer for this question. Gudagneshu satgunaha ke bhavanti. Answer is
Gunaha.
very good. You can read full sentence.
Gunaha gunandechu sadbhavati.
Gudagneshu sadgunaha gunaha bhavanti. Now,
Gunandechu sadgunaha gunaha bhavanti.
very good. Pooja, now you can ask third question and any other person you can tell, you are seeing on the screen some of the students, you can call by name or you can call somebody else, you can say, anybody can say the answer likewise. Or read, I will interact with them. You read this question, third one.
Sir, I can't able to see this, sir.
Why screen you are not able to see?
Sir, I
No, sir, I
can't
can't able to see the question.
No, you are not, your screen it is, you are able to view or not?
Sir, we are able to view you, sir, but I can't able to view the question.
No, that page is not coming, huh?
No, sir, page is not showing, sir.
Oh, 1 minute wait then. Why? Are you able to see at least now?
No, sir.
Anybody else? Please respond to me.
No, sir. No, sir.
Or nobody can see the screen, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Then what is error?
No, sir.
1 minute. Only this page or previous page or anything?
Anything. Really, we are able to view you. We are not able to pages. நான் அதான் சொன்னேன் அவர் நடத்தும் போது சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தார். I thought he was saying no.
That nobody told me.
Sorry.
You should tell. No, then I was thinking that you all are able to see. Please write. Be there on the screen. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
far you all are not seeing these pages. Huh?
No. No, sir.
Any of the pages not seen or these all things? See?
Not seen, sir.
This anything you are not seen, huh? This page?
No, sir. No, sir. The WhatsApp we have seen. Sir, the WhatsApp you have forwarded, sir.
Yes,
There
but
we have seen.
now.
Now no, sir. Now we didn't see, sir.
Why you didn't set me? You have to interact immediately to say that I am not able to see anything on the screen. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
That is by somebody is coming now. It's a minute. Please, right? Some technical problem happened. Now you all are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyhow, that is I completed, and now we are discussing here. So you all are able to hear this at least. Now you tell me. First question. गुणाः केषु सद्गुणाः भवन्ति गुणाः गुणज्ञेषु सद्गुणाः भवन्ति and this is the answer you told now Pooja गुणज्ञेषु सद्गुणाः के भवन्ति you told गुणाः भवन्ति correct answer now I say you read this third question and Priya will say the answer. Priya is there on the screen live online.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pooja, you read this third question.
Yes, sir. गुणाः गुणेषु
Ah.
केन रूपेण भवन्ति?
Very good. You will say answer. Priya say
गुणाः
answer.
गुणेषु
Ah.
सद्गुणरूपेण भवन्ति.
Okay. Now it is your turn. You can ask one question. Another one will say the answer.
गुणाः कं
Ah.
प्रप्र्या दोषाः भवन्ति.
Okay. You can call somebody who is joined here. Anybody? Arush is there. Arush, are you here? Arush?
Sir, प्रार्थना.
Yes. Okay. Ask her to say.
प्रार्थना.
Prarthana can say.
Scary. Score. You get it. Sir.
Prarthana.
Sir, I can't see the screen, sir.
Why? No, others are able to see. They are telling now it is open. That your technical problem in your device maybe. Please take help from your parent. Maybe sometimes you are doing. Are you able to see me? Are you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
No, that Prarthana said me. Prarthana, are you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
But the screen you cannot see the pages.
No, sir.
Okay. Then is there anybody else who can say the answer? Who is able to? Prithviraj is there. Prithviraj. Renuka is there. Renuka.
Harish, body raga.
Renuka is there. Ask her Renuka to speak. Renuka. Renuka. Okay. Priya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Renuka is there online, but maybe their phone or device. But you all are able to see it. And that is depends upon your capacity of the device or internet connectivity, how it is. According to that, you can interact with me. My device I made very clear. I was taking classes for last 2-3 days to the class 10th standard. They were able to listen my class and they can see the screen also. Anyhow, we are going to make this video and we will upload in the your WhatsApp your group 8th class WhatsApp group. Okay, Priya.
Okay, sir.
Now homework, all of you please note down. Take a paper and you note down in your one paper what are homework I assigned, because so far you have written only the classwork. Homeworks are not assigned. The homework are now assigning to you. You can note down. Okay. Note down. Write the sloka, this sloka, first sloka in your homework side. Second is write this padacheda, splitting of the word. Third is anvaya. Fourth is few shabdarthas from this screen. Few means just only for 3 or 4 words which you feel difficulty according to your level. Maybe one student knows under meaning for bhavanti. Who knows meaning for bhavanti? Santi, likewise, they need not to write. So some difficult words, suswadatoyaha, nadyaha, asadya, apeyaha. These all the words are generally students feel difficulty can write. Then after writing the same, write this bhavartha in Sanskrit. I don't want in Hindi and English. In your notebook, you write only Sanskrit and make it writing of these are the questions. Priya, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Priya, listen, you inform to everybody. These questions, these are the answers. So they can see this board and they can write as it is, not with one word. Puja, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That these all things you can write in your homework side. So this is what homework for this class, and you are able to see, or you can take photo also. And please don't record on screen. Anybody is recording this? Please don't record.
No,
Okay, I will.
no, sir.
Okay, I will take photo of this. That means I will make video of this. I will upload in a YouTube channel. You can view and you can send a feedback also to me after viewing this. How far it is useful for you, understanding and responding to me. Please kindly put a subscribe in YouTube channel and likes. If you make subscribe, and I will see in that YouTube how many of you all are learning through the YouTubes. Okay, now it is the time for you all. Please make unmute. You can ask any clarification doubts one by one. Anybody is having doubts? Now we are going to conclude the session. Before concluding the session, anybody is having any doubts and clarifications, you can ask to me, clarify. Puja, Priya,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
I
sir.
have doubts.
Somebody
Sir,
is
I
saying.
have doubts, sir.
Who is that? Name.
Sir, Akshit.
Akshita, tell me Akshita.
Sir, what is the meaning of Devavulambate?
Meaning of?
Devavulambate.
Where is it here? Hello? Akshit.
Sir, in the 5th sloka.
Why you go fifth sloka? You ask question in sloka number 1 now. I will tell you that afterwards. Please ask questions relevant with this poem. Any other doubts? At the time of teaching, I will explain to you. Renuka, Varaha also joined, but she is not talking over. She left it, seems to be. Varaha, okay, no doubts. No doubts.
Sir.
I want to conclude this session. Any one of you say to me, no doubts, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. We are going to conclude this session. I am your Sanskrit teacher taking Sanskrit class through digital mode. Class students of 8th standard, lesson number 1, sloka number 1. And students, you all are requested. Any doubts, you can interact with me through the WhatsApp. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp to me or send to me the text message or note down your notebook, and next class you can inform to me. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
When will the next
What,
class?
sir?
I will update in the
Sir?
WhatsApp. I will update in the WhatsApp.
Dhanyavad, sir. Okay, sir.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, Shriman.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad Shriman.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, Shriman.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad Shriman.
Dhanyavad.
Sir.